Hello students, welcome back to our channel Let's Study Botany. After so many days I am here for you with some questions. My dear students, please stay at home and stay safe and prepare yourself for the next examination. Prepare well, study well, work hard. All the best for your examination. So let's discuss about some questions. The first question is, to form a continuous DNA molecule, the enzyme dash joins Okazaki fragments. So which enzyme helps to join the Okazaki fragment? The options are permease, ligase, helicase, topoisomerase. So the correct answer is ligase. Ligase is an enzyme that can catalyze the joining, that is the ligation of two large molecules by forming a new chemical bond. Basically, it joins the breaks in the phosphodiester backbone of DNA that occurs during the replication. Okazaki fragments that is related to your replication. Okay. The next question. The term gene was coined by options are Batson, Purkinje, Johansen, Mendel. The correct answer is Johansen. Next, the process of physical removal of anther is called, options are bagging, emasculation, tagging, anthesis. The correct answer is emasculation. Basically, it is done without affecting the female reproductive part, and emasculation is done in bisexual flowers. Okay, bisexual flowers to obtain the desired varieties of the plant. The next one, which one is used in coagulation of milk protein in curd making? So, options are Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, Clostridium, Lactobacillus. Which bacterium is responsible in the curd making? The correct answer is Lactobacillus. You know that in your milk protein, in your milk there are two types of proteins are present. One is the casein and the second one is the whey. But here the protein, that is casein, is found 80% in the milk. Okay, so milk is slightly acidic in nature. When we add some acidic ingredients to the milk, the pH is lowered. So this allows the protein molecules to stick together or coagulate into the clumps. That is known as the curd. Okay. ABO blood group system is due to multifactors: inheritance, incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, epistasis. The answer is multiple allelism. That one is the multiple allelism. What is multiple allelism? The mode of inheritance in case of multiple alleles is called as the multiple allelism. The next one, the contrasting pairs of factors in Mendelian crosses are called. Options are multiple alleles, allelomorph, alloloky, then heteromorph. Here the correct answer is alleles or allelomorph. The alleles are the different forms of a gene having same locus on homologous chromosome. So here the allelomorph, or it is called as the alleles, is the correct answer. Then the next one, the final proof for DNA as the genetic material came from the experiments of, options are Griffith, Hershey and Chase, option C, Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy, then D, Hargobind, Khurana. So the answer is Hershey and Chase. बुझिपार तो तुम मानकर पढ़ी द सर्च ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल्स रे पढ़ी ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट. Griffith said that there is a genetic material and he concluded about the transforming principle. Then Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy determined the biochemical nature of the transforming principle. But your Hershey and Chase experiment proved that DNA as the genetic material. They proved that the bacteriophage injects their genetic material into the host cell, leaving their protein code outside the cell. Okay. Then our next question, the largest cell of the ovule is called what? Largest cell of the ovule. Do you remember which one is the largest cell of the ovule? Here this one is the ovule. Okay. So here which cells are present? Your antipodal cells are present. Then these are the egg apparatus. Egg apparatus contains one egg cell and two synergid. Then here the polar nuclei is present. A secondary nucleus is present. So the largest cell of the ovule is your central cell. This one is the largest cell of the ovule. Basically it is present at the center of the embryo sac. Embryo sac ର ମଝିରେ କିଏ present ଥାଏ ତମ ମାନଙ୍କର? Central cell, or it is called as the polar nuclei, okay, or secondary nucleus. It consists of two polar nuclei which gets fused to form secondary nucleus, and this one is the diploid. The next question. Operant concept was given by Jacob and Monod. Then the next one, transcription involves transfer of the genetic information from DNA molecule to ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में कौन होता है जेनेटिक इनफॉरमेशन टा डीएनए रो कोठी ट्रांसफर से होता है टू द आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल ओके देन wine and beer are produced. The answer is without distillation. Distillation increases the alcoholic content. So here the wine and beer are produced without distillation. Then mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association of fungi and fungi with algae, symbiotic association of fungi with gymnosperm, symbiotic association of fungi with angiosperm, symbiotic association of fungi with the roots of certain seed-bearing plants. What will be the answer? The correct answer is symbiotic association of fungi with the roots of certain seed-bearing plants. The primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of what? The options are dissolved impurities, stable particles, toxic substances, harmful bacteria. So here the answer is that is the primary treatment of wastewater involves the removal of stable particles from the sewage through filtration and sedimentation. बुझी पारछो? जो स्टेबल पार्टिकल्स को बाहर करा जाए केमती बाहर करा जाए बाय द हेल्प ऑफ वन इज योर फिल्ट्रेशन एंड द सेकेंड वन इज योर सेडिमेंटेशन मन पड़ुची सेडिमेंटेशन ओके देन द नेक्स्ट वन स्टडी ऑफ कम्युनिटीज especially their environmental relationship and structure is known as your the options are autoecology, gynecology, synecology, phytosociology. So here the answer is synecology, the study of communities, that is called as the synecology, or it is called as community ecology. Okay, then plants and animals living in given area form a options are biome, ecotone, biotic community, bioindicator. So here the answer is biotic community. Okay, then the next one, percentage ratio of natality over mortality is called what? The options are population dynamics, vital index, population density, total count. So what will be the answer? Students, percentage ratio of natality over the mortality, that is called as the vital index. The vital index, what is the function of the vital index? It determines the growth of population. ये कौन करता है? Population रा growth को determine करे. The growth of the population. Then the next one, Red data book are prepared by IUCN, WWF, IBWL, none. The correct answer is red data book are prepared by IUCN. So children, these are the questions. तो तुम मैंने एटा भलसे पढ़ब भल कि क्वेश्चन सब प्रैक्टिस कर जोटा कि तुम सीएचएससी एग्जाम रे हो कि नीट रे हो काम रे आसीबो बुझिपाल. सो चिल्ड्रेन टेक केयर, बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे होम.